Guys, welcome back to Noun and Update, and today we're going to be showing you how to make sure that you access your results from the student portal. We've done a video how to access it from the support portal, but this one is going to be very easy and it's going to be very short for a lot of people that are asking us questions on how to check their results. So let's dive in immediately. So the portal you're going to go to is nouonline.nou.edu.ng. This is the portal and this is the interface. As a returning student, you don't need to go through all this. Just click on the register student like this. Once you click on register student, it will ask for your matric number and your password. Put it and the captcha. So let's dive in. Something like this. So once you click on the register student, it will show you this interface and it will ask you for your matric number and your password. So you put your matric number here and your password, then it will show a captcha. It's like a security. You make sure you write this captcha. This captcha, you're going to write it all together, no space in between when you're writing it, and note the cap lock, which is the capital letter and the symbol and the number. So you put it in there. You put your matric number, password and this captcha there. Do not put any space in between. After that, you click on login, then it will log in. So let's log in to see how to check your results easily. Okay, yeah, once you put your matric number, your password and the captcha security, now you click on login, it will take you to this page, which is your home page as your returning student. So how to check your result? We have all these icons and tabs here, so you don't need to go anywhere. We're going to explain every down thing to you in the next video that we're going to be doing, but for now you just have to come to my progress. See this cursor, click on my progress to see your result. Click on it, let it load. So it's going to take few seconds. So it has loaded. So this is it. This is what you're going to see. You're going to see your courses that you've registered, then you're going to see your result as well. Can you see in this place? You can see it. You can see it. So the result is here. For some result is still pending, it's not released yet, most especially. So you're going to see your result here. You're going to see your courses, and you're going to see the total credit carried, the total credit passed, and the average point. So everything is going to be here. Just follow the procedure and you will log in successfully. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Meanwhile, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so and give us a like. Share it to other people who are finding it difficult to log in and to access their result from the student portal. Love you all. See you in the next video. Thank you.